Good morning all students. Good students, after completing exercise 4.1, today we will start exercise 4.2. Students, in exercise 4.2, we will discuss about operations on rational number. Operations, students, you know the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In exercise 4.2, students, we will start addition. Students, question number 1 I am taking here. Find the sum, and the part 1 is minus 11 upon 12 plus 1 upon 12. Here minus 3 upon 7 plus minus 10 upon 7. Students, in both this question, one thing is similar. If you are noticing, this is denominators are same, and when the denominators are same, this question is now very simple question, because here need not to make denominators same and directly we can take LCM. But before solving this question, we will discuss about the sign. Here students, when you are doing the addition, plus and minus will be minus, minus and plus will be minus, plus plus will be plus, and minus minus will be plus. Students, here now LCM will be 12. Directly you can write 12. Here, because denominator is 12, LCM is 12, both are same. So upside, as it is minus 11 will come, and here as it is plus 1 will come. Now student, this is minus 1 and minus and plus. Minus plus will be minus. So 11 minus 1 will be 10 upon 12. 12 will be as it is. Students, now this was the sign for the operations only, not about the answer. Here minus plus, what was minus? So 11 minus 1, 10. Now what about the sign of 10? 10 sign, the sign of 10 will be positive or negative. For this student, we will check the sign of greater number. Here 11 and 1. Which number is greater? 11 is greater. So the sign of 11 will come with the answer. So here minus 10 upon 12 will be your answer. Or you can convert this into simplest form, because 10 and 12 both are coming in 2's table. So minus 5 upon 6 will be your answer. Now same students, in this question number 2, 7 will be your answer, LCM. Then minus 3 plus minus 10 will come as it is. Okay students, now here plus and minus, plus minus will be minus, then 7, because plus minus will be minus, then 7. Now minus minus will be plus. So 10 and 3 will be 13 upon 7. Now what about the sign of 13? The sign of 13 will be the sign of the greater number, and the sign of greater number is minus. So minus 13 upon 7 is your answer. Okay students, now question number 2 I am taking. This is also based on addition, but in that question you can see the difference. Okay students, in question number 2, again find the sum. Part 1 is minus 4 upon 27 plus 5 upon 9. The difference between question number 1 and question number 2 is, here denominators were same, but here denominators are not same. Here 27 and 9, both denominators are different. So here students, what you will do, you will take LCM and you will make denominators same. But in this question, I think students need not to take LCM, because you know minus 4 and 27, don't change this, leave it. When you will multiply this 9 with 3, then automatically 27 will come. Okay student, so here 5 upon 9 multiply by 3 downside and upside, 15 upon 27 will come. Now 4 or minus 4 upon 27, and this will become, this has become 15 upon 27. Both are having same denominator. Now minus 4 upon 27 plus 15 upon 27. 27 will be your LCM. Now as it is minus 4 plus 15 will come. Now minus plus. Minus and plus will be minus. So 15 minus 4, what will come? 11 upon 27. And sign with the 11 will be sign of the greater number. And here greater number between 4 and 15. Which one is greater? 15. So the sign will be positive. And positive sign, as you know, we are not writing with the numbers. Again students, here I am not subtracting 15 from 4. I am subtracting here 4 from 15. Okay, when because here we have done operation minus plus minus. So 15 minus 4, it is 11. Okay students. Now students, in part second, 4 plus minus 2 upon 7 is given. So first of all we can write 4 upon 1. Now this is also very easy students, because here 7 is given, and here to make this 7 multiply with the 7, because 1 multiply by 7 it will be 1, it will be 7. Now 4 upon 1 multiply by 7 it will be 28 upon 7. Now this is 28 upon 7 and this is minus 2 upon 7. Again denominators are same. Directly we can add. Here 28 upon 7 plus minus 2 upon 7. Then 7 will be your LCM. Then directly 28 minus 2 will come, because plus minus will be minus. Now 28 minus 2, it will be 26 upon 7. This is your answer student. Okay. Now students, part third, 15 upon 8 plus minus 11 upon 15. Here students, 8 and 15 both denominators are different. So first of all, we will take LCM, and LCM is 120. LCM you know very well. That's why directly I have solved here. Now LCM is 120. So first of all, 15 upon 8 we will multiply with a number to make this 120. So here students, 8 I will multiply with 15, then it will become 120. Then upside also multiply with 15, then it will be 225. Now here minus 11 upon 15, we are to make denominator 120, then multiply with 8, because when you are multiplying 8 with 15, then 120, then reciprocal. 15 multiply 8, it will be 120, and upside minus 88 will come. Now you can see 225 upon 120 minus 88 upon 120. Okay students, now denominators are same. Easily you can add 225 LCM 120 plus minus 88. Now plus minus will be minus. Then 225 minus 88 upon 120. Now students, you will subtract. Then what will come? 15 minus 8. Then what will come? 7. Then here 1. 11 minus 8, 3. And then 1. And 137 upon 120 will be your answer. And the sign with 137 will be plus. Because here the greater number is 225 and the sign of 225 is plus. Students, in our today's class, we have done 2 questions of exercise 4.2. As today you will complete all the parts of these 2 questions, and in our next class, we will continue and maybe we'll finish exercise 4.2. Okay students, thank you all.